everyone! So, pupunta kami ngayon sa Baguio City. Samahan mo ako, samahan nyo kami. Good morning! Bye-bye! Mapakita ma Gabi! Haan? Let's eat na! Yay! Andun yung Burnham. Ayun. Ayun. Andun yung Burnham. So, medyo ano siya ngayon. Hindi naman siya gaano kalamig. Ayan. Sakto lang. Mainit lang. Pero ayos yun. So from here to La Union, no, from Baguio to La Union, especially dun sa papuntang San Fernando, it will take you 2 hours, 2-hour drive by car. Ayan, kapag mga public transportation, mga 2 hours lang din. So maraming mga tao ngayon kasi Sunday, family day. Ayan. Init lang. Medyo feel na natin yung ganitong eksena kasi medyo magiging busy na tayo niyan these coming days. May mga tatapusin, may mga tatapusin, mag-iimpake, mag-ano din ng business. So yan, medyo magiging busy this week. Ayun. Ayan. Meron gusto akong pakita. Ayun. So, nakikita nyo ba yun? Mga sasakyan doon. Papunta yun sa La Union. Yung daan.
May naiba pa.
I did not.
Are you happy?
Magpatulang na.
Oopsie.
Jeff, ipada.
Watermelon shake pa na
Plastic lang.
Watermelon shake pa na
Ate. Das watermelon shake natin, di ba? So, alam nyo, maglulukan lang. Maglulukuhan ngayon, hindi, joke lang. So, magda-diet ako. Naniniwala ka magda-diet ako? Guys. So, diet.
Joking.
Tapos, ito na lang kaya. Ito. Salad kit. Yan. 249. Ay. Ito ba to? Ayun. Sige.
Curling up in smoke like a flame into the night. We didn't mean the stuff we said in bed that broke the lie. I might be lost again, but I haven't seen you too. Oh, might be lost, but I'm not going out without a fight. I'd love to see you smile again, watch your eyes light up the room, feel the sunny days caress our skin when we begin to fall. All the white noise fading out to the void of everything we've done. We always make mistakes, but round up just where we began. I might be lost again, but I haven't seen you too.
Everyone, so we're here in in Baguio City. Say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Come on. Come on, let's hi. Hi. Okay. Look, here we are here in Teachers Camp. We are having fun.
That's the butterfly.
What?
Butterfly in the garden.
In the
A
garden.
butterfly.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Look,
Daddy.
come on.